Hey everyone, this is Reef Guy 92, and this is my living room, and this is my nano tank challenge tank. Setting it up, I got this tank from Value Village, $9, score. It's like perfect, brand new. The back I painted black just for aesthetics. I've already added sand, not salt water yet. I'm stealing salt water from my big tank, and I'm going to steal some corals in a bit, and we'll get this party set up. Be back in a flash. So here's the nano. I think we're looking at probably about a 5-gallon tank. It is made by National Geographic. I think you can get these at PetSmart. It's got its own built-in filtration system. Very simple, one little pump, takes the water in, throws it through this little overflow, through the little mechanical filter there. It's also got, which is pretty cool, touch-sensitive light. I'm gonna shut off. And actually when you turn it on, it slowly ramps up in brightness. So all in all, not a bad little tank for $9. And it wasn't even used. This whole filtration system, I literally unwrapped all the cords with their little zap straps or little twist ties and unwrapped it all. Everything's brand new. So pretty stoked on the deal. And this is going to get me into the nano tank challenge. I'm going to go get some live rock and maybe a little coral or two from downstairs. And as well as this is upstairs. My wife is so kind, and she let me throw it upstairs in our living room, where my big tank used to be, is now where the little tank sits. Hey everyone, this is the final update. Everything's up, running. I'll probably add some more lights eventually, but we got a couple corals in there already, some green star polyps, Psilopora, and some yellow zoas. I also got an orange Recordia, which is not very orange in this light, but that's okay. It's a nano tank, it's for a contest, we'll see how things go. I probably will need to update the lighting at some point or see what happens, but for now I'm happy with the sleek look, the rimless, and it only cost me $9. Good luck everyone.